apartment. Yeah, me too, but I can't stand you.
Why not?
Oh, you're messy.
Well, what do you mean I'm messy? I'm a bird, darn it.
I at least decorate my part of the apartment with nice floral things. But you? All you have is wind.
Can't we just get along in the big city?
Well, okay, we can get along.
Oh, that's great. Oh, there's the doorbell. I wonder who it could be.
Your landlord. And you guys are late on your rent. You can tell I'm the landlord because I'm wearing a tie.
We don't have it, and, well, we don't have a job.
Yeah, we're kind of broke. What? If you don't have the rent by this evening, I'll kill you. You hear me? I'll kill you. I'll kill you both with those pliers. Gee, that's really scary.
Yeah, it is really scary. Oh, there's the phone.
Yeah, I'll get it. Hello? Yeah? Well, I don't know. Well, hang on.
Who is it?
For me, okay? So what? Yeah?
Who was it?
It was a girl.
Well, what she want?
She wanted to go out on a date with me.
You know what? That could just be the angle we're looking for. Girls can get guys jobs.
Really?
Yeah, happens all the time.
I bet I better go on this date then.
Yeah, and, I'll look through the paper. Hi, everyone. Well, it's our lovable next-door neighbor, Mr. Boo, the wacky guy.
Yeah. Hi, Boo.
Hi. Where'd you get that shoe? I bought it with my new job.
Yeah, what do you do?
I'm a ruler. You don't say. Yep, people measure things with me. Oh, that's great. Get out of our apartment. Okay, I brought you guys your mail. Gee, thanks, Boo. Don't mention it. Oh, Crimmy, look what this says. Ah, it says my crazy cousin from the sticks is coming into town.
Oh, no, not a hillbilly member of the family.
That's me, a country bumpkin doll. This letter says he's getting here today.
Oh, my goodness. I don't have time to build a bunker.
Hi, everyone.
I'm big, you're small. Yeah, okay, whatever.
Well, I'm new to the city. Can we go see a building? I'll take you later.
I'm not taking you anywhere. I had to look for a job.
Me too. Hey, didn't you get a date with a seagull?
Yeah? Why?
Well, don't seagulls have the ability to give you a job?
Hey, you're right. I guess I will go on that date. Well, I'm gonna go now. Bye.
Huh, now I'm stuck here with my crazy country cousin.
I don't know much about the big city.
That's okay. Your wacky country ways eventually will be endearing to me.
Oh, goody. Can I get your phone?
Sure, just go right ahead.
Oh, thanks. We love these phones in the country.
Well, I'm gonna read the paper. Oh, this will never do. All the jobs in here are asking for qualifications I don't have.
Maybe you should just eat the phone. Well, here I am, on a date with a seagull.
Squawk! Squawk! I love being on a date.
Yeah, well, I hear seagulls can get me jobs.
I like to fly around the harbor.
Yeah, whatever. Do you have any jobs?
I eat fish.
That's great.
Name's the waiter. What would you guys like to eat?
I'll have a dead rat.
I'll eat a peach pit.
Okay.
What do you look for in a long-term commitment? I like fish.
I look for a job. That's it. Or do you just have a lot of money you can give me?
Here's your dead rat. Here's your peach pit. Whoops. There we go. I'm gonna eat the waiter because he's little.
Sure, whatever.
I'm a seagull.
Yeah?
I've never told this to anyone before, but I like pooping.
Oh man, I'm just leaving. This is retarded. What would you say your worst qualities are, kid?
My arms don't really move. They're just kind of doodled on, and I can't take off my tie.
And how do you feel these apply to you in the workforce?
I always look formal.
Well, tell you what. You look like a pushover. You look like a pansy. You look like I just poke you and you just stand there and wiggle.
That's me.
That's what I'm looking for in this job. Kid, working in a factory is a proud long tradition. But you think you're right for it, pansy?
Ow. Sure.
Well, welcome aboard. Oh, I forgot. You can't shake. Oh, I made so many laughs out of you, kid. Well, number one, you can't just dress like that on the job. You're gonna need a hard hat. You make 2 cents a day.
That sounds good.
Well, this is your first job here at the bug eating factory. You're gonna have to eat a bug.
A bug? A bird eat a bug? Are you out of your mind?
Yep. Well, I've only got one eye. Don't be such a pussy. I've been eating bugs all my darn god freaking fragging out of focus life. Here. There's your first bug.
No, please no.
Come on, eat the bug.
No, no.
Eat the bug. Come on.
No.
Eat it.
Sure, your place, Mr. Boo.
Yeah, thanks for driving me home.
Well, thanks for helping me measure all them difficult, things. Who would have thought that my car was 37, Mr. Boo's along?
That's a lot of me.
Yeah, bye, Mr. Boo.
I'm gonna sit around in my friend's apartment because they're not home.
This is fun! Woo!
Hey.
Woo! Huh?
Hey, who are you? I'm Mr. Boo. We have the same voice. Yeah, you can only tell which one of us is talking by which one the camera's pointing at. My head's kind of round. My head is pointy. My head is 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 round.
No better way to relax after a hard day of eating bugs and to take a really big poop. I feel happy now. So happy that, oh no, I dropped all my pay in the toilet! What on earth will I do? How will I pay rent? I can't eat any more bugs! Where will my money go?
Clink, 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 clink. Clink. Well, I, the evil mutant crab, lives in a giant monster flying submarine device with infinite evil mutant crab powers. I've gone through lots and lots of therapy and decided that I don't want to level the city at all. As a matter of fact, I might take up a nice hobby like painting or, Hey, someone flashed 2-cent coin down a toilet and it landed on me. That cinches it. Yes, this stupid city will perish beneath my mighty fist. Crab slave.
Yes, master. Yes, sir.
Yep.
What?
Take over the city. Take over all the cities. We'll take it over using mutants. Take over now.
Right. Captain, drive the ship.
Yes, unleash the lion. Lion, drive the ship with a mighty lever. Yes, here we go. The city will lie in ruins because they have tormented me. Wolf.
Man, I had a rotten day.
You had a rotten day. Why, something to tell you.
There's problems around here. Oh, I had to eat bugs at work. What kind of problems? It's not you and my cousin, are you? Why can't you guys just get along? You and I get along even though we don't like each other.
Well, I'm not your cousin. I have no problem with your cousin at all.
Oh, that's great. I'm glad to see you guys have resolved your differences.
Oh, we haven't. He's dead. Our lovable neighbor, Mr. Boo, ate him.
This is terrible. Speak to me, cousin. Speak to me. My head is spinning. What do we do?
I don't know. I didn't get a job. Dingle, don't give me a job. You were lying to me.
I didn't mean to lie.
Now what are we going to do? Landlord will be here any second. That's right, any second. Where's my rent? Start with your little spider friend.
Don't kill me. Don't kill me. Please don't kill me.
Well, no, I'll kill you anyways. Well, fire the ray now. Get them now. Fire the ray. Fire the ray. So the world's over. Yep.